Is this
Yeah.
Tim?
Yeah, who the fuck is this?
What the fuck do you think it is, nigga? It's John, dumbass. What you doing? I haven't talked to you in forever.
I didn't talk to you at all. Who the fuck is this?
This is John,
Listen,
dumbass. Oh,
Why
God.
are you screaming, dude? What the hell's wrong with you? Listen, it's like 10 o'clock. Don't act like you just fucking woke up because you're fat as
No,
shit.
actually, it's 11:15.
Nobody no, you're fat as shit. You got
What the fuck
that?
did you just say to me?
You are fat as shit. I did not say you could talk. Just stop eating, dude. Stop eating a Snickers bar, you fat ass nigga.
Dude, you were lucky my parents were asleep, or I would come to wherever the fuck you are and stab you in the neck.
Dude, I live in fucking Zimbabwe, you bitch ass nigga. What you gonna do?
This is his older sister. May I help you?
Yes, I would like to penetrate your vaginal cavity. I was wondering if that's okay with you.
No, it's not. And, we have Catholic parents, so I'd appreciate if you don't call again. Plus, I have three
Really?
little ones.
Because I really
in bed.
could pump that ass. I mean, I have no problem with pumping that ass. I mean, if you're down with it, I'm
I'm
down.
sure
Everyone's
my
happy.
grandma would have a problem with you pumping my ass.
I'll pump it with a fucking bike pump. How's that sound? Yeah, she giggles because she knows she wants it.
Okay, ownage, yeah boy, shit, cut the fucking shit. Okay, I just got an IM from a friend of mine. Y'all are calling me. Don't do that shit, because I will fuck you up.
Dude, you can't do shit. You're gonna like e-fuck me up with a fucking Ethernet cord, you piece of shit? What the hell is wrong with this kid?